What is React Native? Who created it? Why was it created? Its advantages, prerequisites. What apps have been built using React Native? In this video, answer all those questions. So let's begin. What is React Native? React Native is an open source mobile framework created by Meta, formerly Facebook, that allows developers to build mobile applications using only JavaScript. So with JavaScript knowledge, you can build a mobile application. It is a powerful tool that enables the development of cross-platform applications for both iOS and Android using a single code base. So you write one code and deploy it on both platforms. You can build an Android app, an iOS app. So by utilizing React Native, developers can leverage the existing knowledge of React, a popular JavaScript library for building user interfaces to create native mobile applications. So here we inherit the concepts of components, state, props, and all other React related stuff to build our application. Key advantages of React Native: single code based development. With one code base, I can build an application targeting both platforms. For example, here as you can see, I built this application and it is running on both an Android emulator and an iOS simulator. It is pretty much the same code, same styles and same everything, but running on different platforms. Second advantage, we have cross-platform components. Here what we basically mean is that you can build a component that can be shared across both platforms. For example, this button at the bottom, it is the same button, same styles, but it is being used on different platforms, on iOS and Android. So you can easily share code. And then we have platform-specific implementation. For example, if there comes a need and you need to write code targeting a particular platform, you can still do that, however much you have a single code base. So you can customize your app in a given way that meets your need, even if you have a single code base. While on the other hand, leveraging all other advantages of sharing code between both apps. So you have hot reloading and fast iteration. For example, when you make a change in React Native, all you have to do is save and to reflect. For example, let me change this color to blue. If I save, you see the title has gone to blue. If I push it back to orange, and all I have to do is save. So reloading is fast. I don't have to build each and every time, just like I would in Android Studio. So code reusability. We can reuse code across both platforms, and this in turn saves time and reduces the cost. So for example, if we are to go native and we are building an app using Kotlin, Android Studio, and Swift with Xcode, we find that we would have to hire different developers, an iOS development team and an Android development team, to build the exact same app. Whereas here, since it is only one team building both apps, it is time and cost efficient. Consistent user experience. As you can see, what you're seeing on screen was built and it is consistent on both platforms, both iOS and Android. We have faster development cycles. So for example, if this app was in production and I needed to make a change, for example the size, all I have to do is come and reduce it. Let's say give it 10 or give it 100, and just like that would have made a change on both apps. We don't have to go in different code bases to make the change for iOS and then make the change for Android and then publish. We can just do that at a go, and then it is easier to collaborate. Since it is the same team building both apps for Android and iOS, collaboration is very easy. If you need a new feature, you already have the same code base, you can just implement it. Next, any prerequisites? Yes. For one to be able to build an app using React Native, they need JavaScript knowledge, and then they also need React knowledge. If you have these two, you're pretty much good to go, as you can build an app within no time. What are the popular apps built with React Native? On the React Native website, there is a showcase of apps that have been built using React Native. We have those from Meta, such as Facebook Ads Manager, Oculus, Messenger Desktop. Have those from Microsoft Office, Outlook, Teams, Game Pass, and Skype. A few from Shopify, such as the point of sale and the Shopify main app, Wix, Then we have other apps that built by other companies. For example, we have Coinbase, we have NFL, Tesla, we have Flipkart, Pinterest, PlayStation, and many more. So that's it for this video. We're able to learn what React Native is, who created it, why was it created, its advantages, prerequisites, and we have looked at the popular apps that have been built by React Native. If you found this video helpful, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Cheers.